Why should I feel discouraged? And why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for my heaven and home? When Jesus is my portion, a constant friend is he. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know he watches me. I sing because I'm happy, and I sing because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know he watches. I know he watches. And I know he watches.